principle is the principle of superposition. Now, the principle of superposition holds that in an undisturbed sequence of deposits, the older deposits are more deeply buried, and the younger deposits are more shallowly buried, younger towards the top. The second principle is the principle of association. The principle of association holds that objects enclosed within the same sediment were deposited at the same time. Now, these are nice principles, but let me give you a demonstration of this. Okay. Imagine, if you will, that this is a deposit of sediments, and this little ant farm-like deposit is an ancient landscape. A landscape populated by prehistoric humans. And this guy's just going to hunt a rhino with a spear. You know what happens when that occurs? This guy dies. Right? The rhino goes along for 10 more years, he dies. An elephant comes along. Another idiot decides to take on the mammoth with no tools in his hands. He's dead. Eventually the mammoth runs out of gas. He's dead too. Saber-toothed tiger comes in here, looks for nothing, no dead humans, no or carcasses. 15 years later, he buys the farm. Now, a volcano erupts, covers these deposits with ash. There we go. And another civilization arises, a civilization populated by the people of the Hello Kitty tribe. They're bopping along and fighting. They do the head bonking contest and double elimination. Their pet gorilla wanders by. Oh, what happened to the Hello Kitty people? Oh, 10 years later, I'm out of food, no more bananas. There you go. And they're succeeded by a population of robots. All over the space of another century or so. And then another volcano erupts, covering the place with black ash. All right. Now, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We're archaeologists, we keep things simple. What we have here is the principle of superposition and the principle of association. The older deposits are lower in the sequence, the younger ones are higher up. The objects that were deposited at the same time are enclosed within the same sediment. Now, when I say at the same time, I don't mean at exactly the same time. Here's the little weasel words. In geology, when we say deposited at the same time, meaning they're enclosed in the same sediments, that means they were deposited by the same geological event, the same depositional event. Some of those individuals could have died days, months, years, decades, even centuries apart. So at the same time is a very fungible concept, and part of your job as an archaeologist is to figure out how much time is represented in that deposit.